1/2 teaspoon.
Don't forget a bowl.
Let's pour the ingredients now. Pour some Elmer's glue into my bowl.
That's it. It's taking for a long time. Come on, glue. Since I can't do it, I'm gonna have my brother do it for me.
Do it. I can't do it either. We're gonna add 1 drop of food coloring.
Looks cool.
I'm gonna add essential oil to make our slime smell good, and it's called wild orange. Smell it. It smells good.
It really smells good.
Okay, now, my bad. I meant 3 drops.
3 drops.
Smells good.
1, 2.
3. I'll mix it. Essential. The cameraman is going to help us pour the contact solution. Okay, let's mix it.
Are you okay?
Ooh. Pour it. Oh, it's mine. This one.
Okay, that's it. Use a spoon to mix. This is gonna be so cool. This looks like it's saying hi to everyone. Happy
It's going around the world.
It's so cool. I can even chew.
I can eat it. Ooh. Disgusting. All done.
This is so cool.
suggestion to us.
Watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Hi guys, we're going to do a really fun video.
Hi guys.
Today we're back with another video. And this video is a really we're doing fluffy slime. And we're doing fluffy slime.
We're doing fluffy slime. Ooh, ice cream.
Want to do it for you?
I can't.
Yeah, let me do it for you.
I can't do it.
Now the cameraman is
It's in my eye. Sorry, those are my grandpa's chickens in the
background.
back. We live in a farm. Just kidding. This looks like it's saying hi to everyone. And it has a fat belly.
No, never mind. Let's taste it.
Save that so you put it in the fridge to eat it for later. No, don't.
Now the what?
You good, Mason?
Yeah.